Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to upload your PayPal statement on Facebook. First, log into your PayPal account using a web browser, not the mobile app, for the best experience. Navigate to the Activity or Statements section. Select the desired statement period, typically the last 3 to 6 months, and download it to your computer. Make sure the downloaded file is in a PDF format, as this is generally preferred for uploads. Before uploading, carefully review your downloaded PayPal statement. It is crucial that your full legal name, matching your Facebook profile or business page, is clearly visible. Also, ensure your current residential or business address is prominently displayed on the document. Facebook typically requires documents to be in PDF or JPG format and under 5 megabytes in file size for successful submission. Double-check these details to avoid delays. Now, open Facebook and navigate to the section where you manage your business or account settings. This is often found within the Business Manager or your personal account settings and privacy area. Look for options related to account quality, business info, or identity confirmation. The exact path might vary slightly, but these keywords will guide you to the correct place for document submission. Once you have located the upload portal, select the prepared PayPal statement from your computer. Click the Upload button and follow any further instructions Facebook provides, such as confirming the document type. After submission, Facebook will review your document, which can take anywhere from a few hours to several business days. You will receive a notification once the review process is complete, typically within 48 hours.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.